Hi there, Mark Costner here from Dreamweaver.com. I received a really great question from Barbara, who's one of our members, and here's what Barbara asked. Is it possible to make rounded corners on a text box without using a graphic? Well, Barbara, the answer's yes. Let me show you the difference between a normal text box and a text box with rounded corners. As you can see here, this text box has got square corners. But using some clever CSS code, you can actually create a text box that has rounded corners just like this. So let's take a look at exactly how to do this step by step. Okay, we're going to start off by creating a table and centering that on our page. So in Dreamweaver, we click on the table icon. In this case, I've selected one row, one column at 300 pixels width and a cell padding of 5. And click OK. Next, we're going to center that. So I'm just going to click on Align and center that table. Now we're going to have to get the CSS code to enable us to actually create the rounded corners. Here's what to do. Visit Dreamweaver.com and go to the Expert Helps forum. Once you're there, look for the post with the subject Rounded Text Boxes. There you'll find the CSS code that you're going to need. Highlight the code and copy it. Next, go back to Dreamweaver and click on the code button. You'll need to insert the code just before the closing head tag. So place your cursor in the right position and paste in your code. Next, you need to go back to the forum and get the next piece of code to create the actual text box. Scroll a little bit further down the page and select the next piece of code. Highlight it and copy it. Go back to your Dreamweaver window and go back to Design View. Place your cursor in the table that you created earlier and switch back to Code View. Select the code that's in there at the moment, then paste in the new code that you just copied. Switch back to Design View. All you need to do now is change the text. In this case, I also want to enter some spaces before and after the text. And I want to align the text to the center of the box. We're going to apply some styling here. So we're going to change the font and make it bold. Now it's time to preview it. Let's do that. As you can see, we've created a text box with our rounded corners. Pretty fast and easy. If you'd like to discover how to do this step by step and even get the CSS code that you're going to need, then simply click on the link that's just below this video. Now remember, you'll get answers to all your Dreamweaver questions on our Dreamweaver Expert Help forum, as well as getting access to over 120 different Dreamweaver video tutorials for Dreamweaver MX, Dreamweaver 8 and Dreamweaver CS3. See you over there.